Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will like to show you the way how to create games on Instagram application to engage your follower and interact with them. So to do that, open your Instagram application, and right after that, you just need to make sure that you are staying in the home sections. And now you just need to slide your screen to the right side. And now you just need to take a picture, or you can also add the picture from your photo library here, or you can just like do a random picture. And right after that, you just need to go click this site, and you just need to go click this quiz. You just need to add your own question, or you can also use the template for from the Instagram by go click this part, and there will be several options that you can choose. And here is the options or the question that you want to have, and then you just need to type the options. Let's say the spaces is kind of like a and so on and so on, and then you just need to pick the correct answer. So let's say the correct answer is A, so you just need to go click done and go click done, and you just need to adjusting this sticker into the specific part. You can also adjusting the size too, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click add to your story. So that is the way how to create games on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you for the next tutorial.